Hi, if I want to divide 8 by half, it simply means that I'm breaking 8 into halves. So, for instance, if I break 8 into ones, I will have this. So, this is breaking 8 into ones. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, this is 1 out of 8. This is another 1 out of 8, 1 out of 8, which means if I were to um, give a particular number for all this is simply 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, and so on. And together, they all make up 8. Okay, now if I wanted to divide that by half, I will then break these ones further into halves. So I have half, 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 half. If I'm now going to count, I would then have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Hence, 8 divided by half is the same thing as 16, which means 8 divided by half is the same as 8 multiplied by 2, which gives you 16. If I want to divide 4 by 2/3, the first thing I'll do is to create 4 boxes, like I've done right there. Those are 4 boxes. And then next thing will be to break them into thirds, because that is the denominator. Okay, I have to break them into thirds before I then find 2/3. Okay, so if I break them into thirds, I have this. Good. Now that we have them into thirds, I'm going to start to collect twos out of the thirds. Okay, so twos, this will be 1. This is number 2. And this is 3. And this is 4. And this is 5. And this is 6. Which means 4 divided by 2/3 equals to 6. Okay, I want to divide 4 by 3/2. And the first thing I want to do is to break this into 4 boxes so that I have my representation of 4. Okay, the next step I would like to try will be to then break each of these ones. These are 1/4, so this is 1, another 1, another 1, another 1. Okay, break them into halves, because simply this is a half, not a 2, because that's a denominator, so it's a half. So we break them into halves. Okay, and that is what you have. And then I'm going to now choose 3s out of these. Okay, so the first one, this will be the first 3. 1, 2, 3. That's 1. 1, 2, 3. And that is 2. Okay, now because I am counting in 3s, all right, and I have only 2 left, all right, what I have here will be 2 wholes, because this is the first one, and then this is the second one, so 2 wholes, and then I'm left with this remainder of 2 out of 3s, because I am counting in 3s. So 2 whole number 2/3. All right, which means 4 divided by 3/2 gives 2 whole number 2/3. Here's one for you to try. So what you want to do is to pause the video and see how you can use bar model to explain how you divide 4 by 5/2. Well done. Let's see how you did. The first thing I will do is to create 4 boxes. Okay, so that I can show my 4. Now that I have my 4 boxes, I'm going to first of all divide it into halves because that's the denominator. So I break it down into halves, and then you have this, then you have that, then you have that, and then you have that. All right, now I'm going to try and pick out 5s out of this. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the first one right there. So I've only got one of those. The rest will not be enough to make up a 5. So what I've got would be a full 5, and then remainder 3 of 5s. Okay, I hope that helps. This is a full one, and then I've got a remainder of 3, and because I'm counting 5s, 3 out of 5. In other words, 4 divided by 5/2 is the same thing as 4 times 2/5, which gives you 8/5, which gives you 1/3/5. I hope that helps, and I hope we see you next time. Bye-bye.